Hello everyone. Today we are going to prepare aloo matar. So I have 3 potatoes. Peel off the skin and cut it to small pieces like this. And I took half cup of green peas, 2 small size tomatoes, 2 small size onions cut into small pieces, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic and 1 green chili. First we will boil the potatoes. Turmeric powder, just very little, and half teaspoon of salt, and add sufficient water. And then we can turn on the heat now and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked. And in the meantime we can prepare the masala. So take a frying pan, turn on the heat, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add the onion and let's fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. And once the onions are fried, we can add the ginger garlic paste and fry it for few minutes. And then we can add the tomatoes now and let it cook for 5 minutes. So once the tomatoes are cooked, I'm adding salt, just very little because we have already added salt while boiling potato. Little turmeric powder, chili powder, half teaspoon, half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix them well and let it cook for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, we can turn off the heat and let it cool down. And now I took everything to a mixer jar, add sufficient water, and we can grind it like a puree now. And the puree is ready now. And in between, the potato got cooked well and I have turned off the heat. And now take a new vessel, turn on the heat, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding small cinnamon stick and bay leaf and little cumin seeds and 1 green chili. Adding little hing powder and we can add the puree now. Mix it and let it cook for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes we can add the potatoes and green peas also, and garam masala 1/4 of a teaspoon. Mix them well. Add little water. And now we can close it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm adding kasturi methi leaves. Mix it well. And finally adding little coriander leaves. And then we can turn off the heat now. And our aloo matar is ready. Please give it a try and thanks for watching.